Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete Facebook Messenger messages. If you're using Facebook Messenger and you have sent messages to anyone and you want to delete your Facebook Messenger messages, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Messenger app, and here you just have to select the chat in which you want to delete message. So I'm going to select this one. Here you just have to keep a long press on the message which you want to delete, and then select more option from here and select delete option. Here select delete and then select delete for you. If the message has been delivered to the person, so you will get delete for everyone. So you must have to select that option and the message should be deleted for everyone. If you want to delete a chat, so you just have to give a long press on the chat, then select delete option, then tap on delete, and the whole chat will be deleted. So in this way, you can easily delete Facebook message. Or if you're facing an issue, so you must have to try to update your Messenger app. Open your App Store or Play Store, you have to search for Messenger, and you just have to try to update your app. If you find any pending updates here, try to update app, and after updating, you will not get the issue again. So after that, you'll be able to delete any message using your Facebook Messenger. But if you are trying to delete message which you have sent a long time ago, so it might be that you're unable to delete that message. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.